Good morning to one and all. I am Krishna Reddy, studying in Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing, third semester at NTTF Training Center, Gannavaram. Today, I am here to present my shop talk. My shop talk name is Tool Makers Microscope. We will discuss about the Tool Makers Microscope. Introduction, advantages, disadvantages, applications, and parts of the tool makers microscope. Now we will see the introduction of the tool makers microscope. The tool makers microscope is a multifunctional measuring instrument used in metrology for inspection and measurement of miniature mechanical and electronic parts and tools. The tool makers microscope used in industries for use the small components and the measuring instrument parts. Tool makers microscope provides a high degree of magnification and is also a simple and convenient means for taking the readings. The tool makers microscope read is simple. There will be two stages of magnification coupled in the microscope. The first magnification is at the objective lens and the second magnification at the eyepiece. In tool makers microscope, there will be two stages. First one is objective lens and second one is eyepiece. The objective lens forms an image of the workpiece at I1 at the stop. The stop frames the image so that it can be enlarged by the eyepiece. Viewed through the eyepiece, an enlarged visual image I2 is obtained. I1 is obtained image on workpiece, I2 obtained visual image on the eyepiece. Now we will see the applications of the tool makers microscope. Shop floor inspection, precision measurements in tool rooms, measurement of small holes, template matching inspections, inspection of tapers. Now we will discuss about the advantages of tool makers microscope. Shop floor inspection of screw threads, gears, and other small machine parts. The tool makers microscope used for checking the small components like screw threads, gears. The tool makers microscope is also used to view and measure linear distances, thread pitch, thread angles, tool edges, tool wear surfaces, etc. Precision measurement of test tool rooms in tool rooms. Inspection of tapers on small components. Now we will discuss about the disadvantages of tool makers microscope. Higher cost. Tool makers microscope are typically more expensive compared to other type of microscopes due to their precision measurement and inspection capabilities. Calibration demands. The accuracy of measurements obtained from tool makers microscopes heavily relies on precise calibration. Improper calibration can result in inaccuracies in the measured values. Time consuming. Setting up and using a tool makers microscope can be time consuming, particularly when striving for accurate and precise measurements. Now we will discuss about the parts of the tool makers microscope. Here is the eyepiece. The observer see the workpiece from here. This is the focus knob. And this is the micrometer screw. And this is the base. And this is the supporting column. And this is the clamping screws. And this is surface illuminator. And this is the table. This is also a micrometer screw. Thank you.